Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see different kind of a ranking function in Scala. To use rank function, first partition the data with the help of a window partition by function. Then only we can able to use this ranking function. And then order by partition data with the help of a order by key. We are going to see three rank function. One is a row number. Row number is used to give sequential number of result of each window partition. So we will going to see what does it means that each window partition. Another is rank function. Rank function is used to provide a rank to the results of each window partitions. It leaves the gaps whenever ties occurs. So I will show you what does it means that it leaves the gap whenever the tie occurs. Third function is known as the AP dense function. It is used to provide a rank to the result of each window partition. It does not leave the gap whenever tie occurs. So whenever we are going to do a ranking function, first is we need to partition the data frame with the help of a partition by function, and we are also going to order the partition data with the help of a order by function. So in this exercise, what I am going to do, I am just copying, I am just importing all the required variable. Here I am just creating a custom schema with the help of a struct type and the struct field. I have created 6 columns and their data types. Here I am storing a path till the folder label in a variable where a lot of CSV files are present, and with the help of a spark.read.csv function, I am reading the CSV which is present in this path with the help of this schema to create this data frame. When the data frame gets created, what we are going to do, we are partition the data with the help of a window.partition by, and how and on which column we are partition the data, we are partition the data with the help of a AP state, and we are ordering the partition data with the help of a AP salary. So I will show you with whenever I am going to display all those things now, then I will show you how it generally going, how it is working, right? How generally it works. So what I'm just doing to demonstrate all three kinds of ranking function. So with the help of a with column, I am creating this column, and how the data will going to populate it. The data will going to populate it with the help of a row number. Row number will going to create over this AP partition window. This window we have just created it. So how it will going to do? It will put a number of each partitioned data, not on the whole data frame, each partitioned data which we have done here, right, this one. Here again we are creating a column, and we are populating the value of this column with the help of a rank function and over this partition data, AP Windows data. And third, again we are just creating a column, and here we are using the dense rank function over this partition data. So I will going to copy the code till creation of a data frame by reading the CSV file, and I will show you how we can partition the data and how we can use this ranking function on the partitioned data. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name the notebook as a ranking function. Ranking functions. Then connect this notebook with our running cluster. Let's copy the data till creation of a data frame by reading a CSV file. This will going to import all the required libraries. This will going to create a custom schema, and this will going to create a data frame by reading many CSV file which is present in a folder. Let's run it. All the libraries are available in this notebook. Custom schema has been created. Let's create this data frame by reading this CSV file. Let's display this data frame. Okay, so there are 45 records. Let's create a partition data with the help of a windows dot partition by function. So how we are going to use? Before using the window partition, we need to include in this notebook. How we are going to do? org.apache dot spark dot sql dot expressions and then windows. Let's run it. Now let's create a variable ap windows. Let's use this window function and then use the partition by which from which column we are going partition it. We are partition it with the help of the ap state, and after partitioning we are ordering by with the help of a ap salary. Let's run it. Now let's see how three different ranking function works in Scala. So how we are going to do? First, let's create a column with the help of a get column. Name it as AP row number. And how the data will going to populate? The data will going to populate with the help of a row number function over this over this partitioned data. And we are showing the content of this result set. We can see here this it is partitioned based on the AP state. So here there are a lot of null values are there. Okay, so a lot of null values are there. It is not visible because only 20 records will be visible here. So what I'm just doing, let's put into a data frame. Okay, let me display it. Now this is the AP state. See, this we have is AP state value 2 times it is present. That's why this AP row number is providing a number to it, that is 1 and 2, because only two values are available here. Here this is Haryana, it has 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it is occurring in this AP state. That's why this AP row number is providing 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will going to provide each partition window or unique number. That's why here is 1, 2, because 2 times it is occurring. Here it providing 4 numbers because this Haryana is occurring 4 times. Okay, let's copy it and see this rank function. AP rank df, and instead of row number, let it use rank. Let's run it. this data frame has been created successfully. We can display it. We can see here that Bihar has a this API state Bihar has a 2 columns, and the salary is different. One is 20,000 and one is 30,000. The AP row. Okay, so here let's give not row number. Let's give here the rank. Okay, run it again and again display it. Now it is AP, right? Now it is. So here in AP state two values are there for Bihar. It has a different salary, so it is giving rank 1 and 2. AP state has 4 value of Haryana. Each in AP salary, it has the same value. That's why it is giving 1 rank each. This is same for Karnataka. Let's we have understand how this rank function is going to work. But sometimes if the values are, we can see here, this is 1 1 1 1 is there. Sometimes what is happened that there is a tie, and if the tie is there, so in the next time, so suppose here this Haryana has a 4 columns, right? 1 2 3 4 5. And if another Haryana row is there which has the different AP salary, so this rank function, no, what it will going to do, it will not going to put 2, it will going to put 5, because it is skipping the rest of the rank, because this AP rank function will not, it will skip the rank whenever tie occurs. Here this 4 data, the tie is occurs. That's why it will skip to the next value. That's why at the 5th position, if different value come for this AP salary, the rank would be 5 only, not 2. So this is the one thing we need to take care whenever we are using this rank function. Let's use the dense rank. Let's put the column dense rank, and here instead of rank function, let's use dense rank. Run it. Now display this data frame. This is the same value, same rank it will going to provide as it is we have seen in the rank function, but one main difference is rank function will going to skip the rank whenever it founds a tie, but dense rank function will not going to skip when there is a tie occurs. So for example, this Haryana has 4 values which are ties. If we have a 5th value and this AP salary has a different value, then the dense rank will going to put 2 as a rank, because these are the ties. That's why it is putting rank 1. And in the 5th, if any value is present at the 5th position with a different salary, then the rank would be 2, not 5. Here it is not skipping. That's why it is putting 2. Here it is skipping the value whenever tie occurs. That's why if we have a 4th data for the Haryana with a different salary, then the rank it will going to put 5. So in this video we have seen how different kinds of ranking function work in Scala. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.